Hello guys, today I'm touring you guys at my store or supermarket. Let's go. This is all the foods. There's a bunch of chips, candies, waters, cereals, and sodas. And this is all of the cold stuff like yogurt and drinks. These are all milks, juices, ice cream, donuts, cheese, yogurt, and sour cream. This is the managing. Like there's managers that bought buying stuff that we need in the store to sell. This is the healthy area when there is many fruits and vegetables. This is the cash register area. When they sell, when they go check it out, this don't need cashiers because this is automatic. And this is the things like soap, pans, spoons, forks, shampoo, everything you need, and paint, laundry detergent or laundry sauce. And we're gonna go to the clothes. When there's hats, clothes, pants, everything that you need in your body to keep it safe. There's caps, sombreros, snow hats, like everything. Goodbye, guys!